A very good morning to all. Welcome to the TSN online classes. Today I am going to explain class 12 chemistry chapter number 7 p block elements, and the topic is chemical properties of the group 18 elements. Chemical properties in general, noble gases are least reactive. जनरली अगर हम देखें तो नोबल गैस जो होती हैं वो बहुत रेयर केस के अंदर ही रिएक्शन करती हैं. Their internals of the chemical reactivity is attributed to the following reason. Noble gases except helium has a comparatively filled NH2 NP6 electronic configuration is their valence shell. यदि हम नोबल गैस की बात करें तो जो इनका आउटर मोस्ट जो शेल होता है वो कम्प्लीटली फिल होता है. हैव हाई आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी एंड मोर पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी. इनकी आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी जो होती हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा होती हैं एंड जो इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी होती है वो पॉजिटिव होती है. Now the next chemical property is the reactivity of the noble gas has been investigated occasionally ever since their discovery, but all the attempts of the force them of react to form the compounds were unsuccessful for quite a few years. In March 1962, Neil Brackett, then the University of the British Columbia, observed that the reaction of a noble gas first prepared a red compound which is formulated as O2PtF6. Chemical properties: helium then realized then the first ionization enthalpy of the molecular oxygen was almost identical with that of the xenon. Helium made efforts to prepare same type of the compound with the xenon and was successful is preparing another red color compound, xenon positive ion and PtF6 minus ion, xenon hexafluoroplatinate, by mixing the PtF6 and the xenon और प्लेटिनियम हेक्साफ्लोराइड के आपस में मिलने से जो नया कंपाउंड जिन्होंने बनाया उसका नेम क्या था, जिनॉन हेक्साफ्लोरोप्लेटिनेट. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में आगे हमारे पास टॉपिक है कि आफ्टर द डिस्कवरी a number of the xenon compound mainly with the most electronegative elements like fluorine and the oxygen have been synthesized. The compound of the krypton are fewer. Only the difluoride has been studied in a detail. यदि हम क्रिप्टॉन की बात करें तो केवल KrF2 यानी क्रिप्टॉन डाइफ्लोराइड जो है उसकी हमने यहाँ पे डिटेल स्टडी करी. कंपाउंड ऑफ रैंडम हैव नॉट बीन आइसोलेटेड बट ओनली आइडेंटिफाइड. जो रैंडम डाइफ्लोराइड जो है वो इसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो चुकी थी, इसकी पहचान हो गई थी बाय द रेडियो ट्रेसर टेक्निक के द्वारा. नो ट्रू कंपाउंड ऑफ ऑर्गन नियॉन एंड द हीलियम आर येट नोन. ऑर्गन नियॉन और हीलियम की अगर हम बात करें तो इनका कोई भी ट्रू कंपाउंड नज़र नहीं आया, उसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं मिली. जिनॉन फ्लोरीन कंपाउंड्स ऑफ ग्रुप 18 एलिमेंट्स. देन जिनॉन फॉर्म्स 3 बाइनरी फ्लोराइड्स XeF2, XeFO4 एंड XeF6. जिनॉन जो है उसने 3 मेनली बाइनरी फ्लोराइड्स बनाए. वो कौन से? जिनॉन डाइफ्लोराइड और जिनॉन ट्राइफ्लोराइड एंड जिनॉन hexafluoride. By the direct reaction of the element under the appropriate experimental conditions, xenon plus F2 is equal to XeF2, xenon in excess and Xe when combined with the 2F2. The conditions is 873 Kelvin temperature and 7 bar pressure. The result is XeFO4. The ratio is 1:5. And when xenon is combined with the 3F2, the condition is 573 Kelvin temperature and 60 to 70 bar pressure is applied on this reaction. The result is, the product is XeF6 and the ratio in between 1:20 ratio. XeF6 can also be prepared by the interaction of XeFO4 and O2F2 and the 143 Kelvin. XeFO4 plus O2F2 is equal to XeF2 plus O2. XeF2 and the XeFO4 and XeF6 are the colorless crystalline solids and the sublime radically at 298 Kelvin. They are powerful even by the trace of the water. For example, XeF2 is hydrolyzed to give XeHF and O2. तो इस रिएक्शन की भी स्टडी कर लेते हैं हम कि 2 moles of XeF2 when combined with the 2 moles of the water, the product is 2Xe plus 4HF and O2. The next is the structure of the 3 xenon fluorides can be deduced from the VSEPR theory. XeF2 and the XeF4 has a linear and the square planar structure respectively. XeF2 has a 7 electron pairs, in this 6 bonding pairs and the 1 lone pair, and would thus have a destroyed octahedral structure as found experimentally in the gas phase. Here the structure in a linear form and square planar here. Xenon fluorine compounds, the next is xenon fluorine react with the fluoride ion except to form cationic species and fluoride ion donors to form a fluoroanions. XeF2 when combined with the PF5, XeF and PF6 minus ion in a project form. XeF4 when combined with the SbF5, the product is XeF3 plus ion and SbF6 minus ion. When xenon hexafluoride combined with the MF, the result is M plus ion XeF7 minus ion. Here M is sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium here. Now the next is xenon oxygen compound. In the xenon oxygen compound, hydrolysis of the XeF4 and XeF6 with water gives a XeO3, and the 6 moles of XeF4 when combined with the 12 moles of water, the result is the product is 4Xe plus 2XeO3 plus 24HF plus 3O2. When xenon hexafluoride combined with the 3 moles of water, the product is XeO2 plus 6HF. Partial hydrolysis of the XeF6 give the oxyfluorides and XeOF4 and the XeO2F2. XeO3 is a colorless explosive solids and the pyramidal molecular structure, and the XeOF4 colorless volatile liquid square pyramidal molecular structure. So here the structure of the dissociated octahedral and the square pyramidal and the pyramidal structure are here. Uses of the noble gas: helium is a non-inflammable and the light gas, hence it is a use in a filling balloon and for a meteorological observation. It is also used in a gas cooled nuclear factor. And the other uses of the noble gases, the first is liquid helium जिसका कि boiling point 4.2 Kelvin है. Find use as a cryogenic agent for carrying out various experiments at low temperature. It is used as a produce and the sustain powerful subconducting magnets which form a essential part of the modern NMR and the spectrometers and the magnetic resonance images MRI system for clinical diagnosis. The next, it is used in a dilute for oxygen in a modern diving apparatus because of its very low solubility in blood. Neon is used in a discharge tubes and the fluorescent bulbs for advertising display purpose. Neon bulbs are used in a botanical garden and in a greenhouse also. Argon is a use mainly in providing inert atmosphere in a high temperature molecular process are a welding for a metals or a alloys for and for a filling electric bulbs. It is also used in the laboratory for a handling substances that are the air sensitive. There are no significant uses of the xenon and the krypton. They are used in a light bulb design for a special purpose. So chapter number 7 P block elements is completed today. Thank you very much.